Hello guys, welcome once again. In today's video, I am going to show you some features of Eclipse that you can use to get your projects done, and I am going to give you a brief introduction about classes and how can you work with them, and a lot of different things. So let's start. First of all, I am going to show you if you are working with a current project, then you can also close that project and you can create a new one. For example, to create a new project, once again, that I have already told you how to create a project in previous video, but in this video I am going to show you this again. So first of all, you have to go to this file and then you will go to new, and then you will see here the Java project. You just need to click on that. So when you will click on that, it will ask you for the project name. So I have told you in the previous video that you have to give your project in Camel Case. You have to give your name of the project in Camel Case. So I have told you what is Camel Case. So if you don't know, just go to Google and search it on yourself. So project name, let's say first project. This is the name. So Camel Case is basically that one word must have its first letter capital. So this first is the one word and its first letter is the capital one, and same like that, the second word is project and its first letter P is capital. So that is basically just you can say convention. So if you don't do that, it is not gonna cause you an error or something, but let's see if it causes some kind of error. In creating project, it will not create any kind of error. Yes, you can see it has created it successfully, but it's a convention. So to delete a project, what you will do, you will just go to this delete and your project will be deleted. Alright, so one thing that your window is open up like this code that I have already created. So if I want to close this window, how can I do that? I can also close it from here, but if you want to close the whole project, I mean you have a bunch of classes following this class, I mean you have more tabs, more than one, so and you want to close the whole project, then how you will do that? You will just right click on your project and you will go to close project here, and when you will click that, you will see your project is instantly closed and you don't have to do anything more than that. When you will double click on that, your project will show something like this. When you will go to source default package, you will see that my class name. So double click on it and you will have your project here. So the next thing that you must know, that these words are not that much bigger and you must not be seeing it visible. So what I need to do, first of all, I will make it bigger, and if you want to do that, you can also do that. So I will just go to the window, then I will click on preferences, and I will search here for fonts, most probably. Yes, so I have these appearances tab, and under these appearances tab I have color and fonts. When I will click that, I will have folders or packages like this. So in here I have to search for Java. Yes, this Java. So when I will click on that, so you will see these things like this: Java editor text, and Java talk view, background. So you have to double click on this. So when you will double click on Java doc display font, you will get some things like this. So let's say I want my, you can change the fonts from here, the font style, to anything you want, to any type you like. Okay, so I will just stick to the regular, I will not bold them, but I will definitely like to change the size as I want it to display to you like the bigger letters, so that you can see my project or my code like clearly and easily. So I will choose a size of 26 and I will click OK, and you will see when I will apply, suddenly it that code will appear bigger. So when I will click apply and OK, so it has not changed yet. So let's try another time. We'll go to here, we will go to colors and fonts, and yes, there it is. That was the basically the font size, and let's change it to 26. So that is basically Java editor text font. So I chose the wrong option, so you have to click that OK, and when you apply and OK, you can see the text has appeared a little bit bigger. This is more bigger than I thought, so I have to make it a bit smaller. So I'll go to the preferences, I'll go to Java editor text font, and I will choose the 22, and I'll press OK, I'll apply, and I'll OK. You can see this. Alright, so I hope you can see the code easily now. So the next thing that I need to do, I'm going to show you that Java has some built-in classes, and Eclipse is an intelligent IDE, and it can also offer you the suggestions. So let's go ahead and see. First of all, I'm going to show you how can you write comments inside Eclipse. Comments are pretty important, as the user or the coder that is watching your code, so that he can easily understand your code. That's why you write comments, and comment doesn't have to do anything with the code, but a brief explanation. So let's write here. I will code here. So you can see it appears in green. It doesn't have to do anything with the code. So in Java you write comments in two ways, like this, with double backslashes. You will write the code, you will write the comment over here after following the backslashes twice. And another thing that you can do is put a backslash, and you will put asterisk, and when you will hit enter, you will see that Eclipse will generate another static and backslash for you, because Eclipse is an intelligent IDE. That's why it produced that. So now you are going to write inside here the comments, whatever you like. So these are basically the two ways following which you can write comments. Okay, all right, so then second one was like this, the comments. All right, so now I hope you have got the concept. These comments have nothing to do with the code. And the next thing that I'm going to show you, that in right here in the outline, you will see that you will have all your classes name. So I have just one class, so I have just one class's name. When I will expand that, you will see it will tell me what functions you have in your class. So I have only main function in my class. So when I will click on that, you will see that my cursor will come to the main class, and when I will click on the class name, my cursor will come to my class name. All right, so the next thing I'm going to tell you is that Java has built-in classes, and I'm going to show you how can you use them. So for example, system is a class in Java that is built in, and it have many functions in Java. So system fall with the capital S. So when I will press dot, so it you will see it is giving me a lot of suggestions, because Eclipse is an intelligent IDE, so it offers me a lot of suggestions that whatever I want to choose, whatever I want to do. So that system class is attached to a lot of built-in classes, and it can do a lot of things for you in a lot of different ways. So you just have to understand them. Okay, so for now I will just write here system.out. So dot out is also a built-in class. So when I will press dot, it will also show me a lot of suggestions, because Eclipse shows that, and it already detects, and it detects successfully that what kind of thing user want to do. Okay, so I want to print a thing whatever I want. So in Java, for printing function, you write something like this: print ln. So that is the basic thing that you need to know right now. So system.out.println, print line, actually it shows. So I'll put double quotes, and whatever I will write inside here, it will be visible to my console whenever I will run my program. So this is my Java console, and here my output will appear. So inside system.out.println, let's say I write hello code beginners. All right, so when I will hit run, yes, this green button, this is basically your run command or run button, and this will be the class and all the resources you can check in, and simply check if you want to run the program or not. So when you will press OK, your program will start running, and hello code beginners, this thing has appeared to my console as my output. So that's it for today. I hope you have learned something new, and please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.